Hi, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Ifrah Syeda here. So I bought a new TV. On today's video I'm gonna show you guys Samsung Q60 TV set, which is 4K Ultra HD and 55 inches, which is for my bedroom. So it is perfect for my bedroom wall, but it requires to mount on my wall. So for this we had to hire someone for mounting TV on wall professionally. So he's doing his great job. Now a great thing about that is this set is upgrade from TU 7000 and 8000 because it has a QLED technology which going to give me a much better color. So it is also supported with Bixby, Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, and there's a lot of more features inside of it. So in this video we're gonna talk about the features, and I'm gonna show you the picture quality and more. So sit back and relax and let's get started. So guys, you can see on the back of the TV set you have a power input, and there are a few screw holes for mounted on the wall. It also has two USB, two HDMI's on one side of the TV. So and it also have third HDMI and three holes for, and also a LAN connection to connecting on the internet directly. Now this Samsung has built-in internet TV, which makes it easy to watch everything on TV. If we talk about like design of this, so this Q60 has sleek and slim design, and it also has the small thin bezels around the TV. This makes it look so clean from the front of the TV. At this point you can set up with your games, PlayStation or Xbox with your HDMI cables as you have seen it. So this is the Samsung TV remote which is come along with this TV, and the design of this remote looks so modest. It also has the direct options of like Netflix, Amazon Prime and Samsung TV Plus. It also has the voice control. As you can see, you can search anything by your voice, and for volume you can just press the down button for mute and press up and down for volume up and high. Using a remote control, I'm already having a setup on Google Assistant. Now I'm gonna show you my voice commands from Google Assistant, and also I'm showing you the apps which are already installed in this TV. So let's see. The home button: Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus, Hulu TV, Apple TV, YouTube, Vudu, Samsung Health, Gallery. It has gallery options. You can also do it like web searching. I can do voice control here. Now I can hold this button and say hi, and say hi. It's a random search. So without any typing, I can search anything by my voice control. It also has Google Assistant voice control. You can search by your voice any app, anything in this TV. I want to go directly to the Netflix. Now I'm going to press this button. Oh, you can see it directly appears to the Netflix. Now I want to go up Prime Video. Now you can see. See, this button goes directly onto the apps. So this is the advantages. Now just because this TV is 4K, so I'm gonna show you the 4K video results. Now let's see. 4K video. So this TV has also the option of screen mirroring. Simply you have to just go onto the settings and go to general, then click on the Apple AirPlay settings and turn on the Apple AirPlay, and then just pair up with your phone. You have to just turn on your screen mirroring, then it will send you a first time in a code. Then you can see it is started doing screen mirroring. If you want to stop this mirroring, then you have to just click on stop mirroring on the mobile. It's gonna be stopped. Now let's do some voice commands with Google Assistants.
Hi, what can I do for you?
Can you tell me the meaning of goodbye?
Here's the definition of goodbye. Used to express good wishes when parting or at the end of a conversation.
If you want to download any additional apps, so you can download from Samsung App Store. I already downloaded Hotstar app because of my husband. He loves to watch sports, cricket matches and everything from this app, so he can watch live streaming of India versus England. So this app really helps us. When it comes to gaming, this television set is a piece. It can run PlayStation and Xbox, and with HDR 4K 60 FPS with HDMI 2.0 cable. It is already mentioned on the TV box. So to be honest, I'm not a gamer person, so that's why I don't have any kind of games. So I just wanted to aware you guys from these features. So it also has gaming motion plus feature. This allows you to go in there and configure everything to go on smoother. You can also customize anything. It also has like LED clear motion option, which sharpens up the picture when everything is just going very fast, and this can really help out for those people who just play games very fast, like shooting games. So this is how it works. And now I want to go on picture gallery, ambient mode. In this mode you can turn your bedroom or living room into a personal gallery. It can display pictures, so you can set up your own album. Just go over here and look artworks, so you can download some pictures from internet, or you can use your own pictures if you have Samsung device or Samsung Cloud, as you can see. And whenever you are not using TV, so it will actually display like this. So let me turn off the lights, then you can see the more example of what it does. Oh, that's a nice low background. Look, when it is not in ambient mode, it looks so bright. Plus point is that it can sense the darkness or brightness of the lights. When I turn off the lights, it can goes to the dark. When I turned off the lights, now you can see back to the dim. It also have a Samsung logo with LED light, and you can also get their mini system to hit the buttons by their mini set. So but this is very hard to navigate and control the television set, so you have to make sure that you don't ever lose your remote. So you also do web searching and browsing in there. It already has Facebook, Google, Yahoo, Amazon and many other websites. It completely looks like a PC desktop. It open more tabs and everything just like a PC. So some final thought about this Q60 LED TV is that if you're not a type of person who wants soundbar and speakers, but these speakers are pretty sound good to me, so some special thing about this TV set is it also has the Bluetooth, so you can hook up the headphones and keyboards, mouse, remote controls and everything like that. It also has a Wi-Fi built-in which supports 2.5 45 gigahertz. You have a plenty of range. Just about any Wi-Fi router in there. I have a optimum Wi-Fi device, and it gave me a pretty decent experience. One major thing is that it is already programmed automatically from the TV set on most devices. So if you plug PlayStation in, so it gonna know it's PlayStation. If you plug cable box in, so it gonna know it's cable box. So it is very smart television when it comes to that aspect. Hopefully you all guys like my whole review. So make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot for watching guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.